Welcome. If you wanna change lock method on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro, move to the settings. Then we have to enter to the password and security. And as you can see, currently there is no lock method that is set up on this smartphone. So we can go for the password and draw a pattern. Okay, click on the get it and draw your pattern. Now confirm. Click on the confirm, and we can also add the fingerprint, and the fingerprint you can find on the back of your smartphone right here. So right now we have to place our finger on the sensor and now lift it. When you feel the haptic vibrate under your finger, now the edges of our fingerprints, and it is the added fingerprint on our Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro. Click on it done. Right now we can go and check it that it works. So lock your screen, unlock, and right now when we touch the sensor, the fingerprint is working, but also we can check the pattern. And as you can see, both of the lock methods works. So thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.